how to change Spotify password on your mobile, Android, iPhone or your PC. This is the only way possible you can do anything about it. So now let's head to the video. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now you open the Spotify app. Make sure that your Spotify app is logged out. Once it's logged out, this page will show up. You have to click on login and you have to click on continue with Google. It will ask you for your ID. You have to click on that and you have to click on a password. Type anything. Password is wrong. First, before this new update, once your password is wrong, a forgot password, reset password option used to show up here, but now anymore there is no such application where you can reset your password or change your password. Spotify has updated it and they have updated it directly to log in without password. Once you click on that, they will send you a verification mail on your Gmail and you have to go and click on the Gmail app. Like for example, I have refreshed it. You can see here a mail showed up. It will show here and you have to click on go to Spotify and it will directly take you to your Spotify app. And this is how you're able to change your password on your mobile, wherein realistically you're not able to change anything. You can just log in without your password. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.